everyone, welcome to Mashi Samza Javed with another video. And in this video we are heading again to Genting Highland, but in this video there is a twist. In this video I will be showing only 5 things to do, that the top 5 things to do actually in Genting Highland. And if you haven't subscribed till now, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, or hit the hit the comment and the like button as well. Make sure to share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for those who have already hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot. Keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking. That's how I can grow my channel. Keep supporting me, and I'll be coming up with interesting videos. So enjoy the video. So guys, I'm at my first point, and the first point will be premium outlet, and there's the reason why I've kept the premium outlet to number 1. The first thing, it is the first mall that comes when you're heading to the Genting Highland. And what are the most famous things about premium outlet is that the first is always on sale. You can find pretty good deals out here. I've also come to know very newly about that thing. And then secondly, it's an open mall. I think it's the only open mall in entire Malaysia. There's no any other open mall like something like this, similar to this one. I haven't find it. I will try to discover that one if there is any. And then the third thing would be the views. So I'm heading inside now. Now we are entering a premium outlet, and for sure it's one of its kind, and there are no match to it. I will make a quick tour of the shopping mall, and maybe I'll proceed toward the second. If I had to explain it in single word, I'd had to open a Google. It's amazing, it's wonderful, and wow. In premium outlet, it's all about brands, like from Mitchell Cross to Polo Ralph to any other brand that you name it, like CK and then Boss, Hugo Boss, and Foster, everything. And most of them are like having a deals. Like for example, they're giving you good offers at a wonderful, cheap price. I don't think so. They have the latest collection over here, but yes, at least they are giving you at a good price, so why not? If you are in Malaysia and you haven't visited here, this is the place that deserves your attention, and you should come here for a shopping or just to visit. It's amazing. Currently you're looking at a Genting Highland premium outlet map, so from here you can check their brands and find their location. Second place in my video stands for the Chairlift, and I'll be going through the Chairlift, and I will show you guys how much it costs. And there are 2 stops in between. One is for the Chinese temple, and then the second one is the main Genting line. So I'll be heading toward both. So currently I'm at the machine where we can book our tickets. It's usually done by your credit card or debit card, whatever card you have. I think they accept cash as well, if I'm not wrong. I will be showing that how many types are there and what are the costs. Last time I came, I think it was 20 ringgit for return and go up. So right now I don't know. So English. And okay, so normal is 10 ringgit. The standard one with return is 80 ringgit. 18. Let me take 3. So these are the ticket prices. So yep, the glass floor is like 35 return. So if you want to have a glass floor, you can have that one. Either you want a standard or you can take standard. I'll be taking standard as I've been in glass one before, and currently I'm not willing to go. So it's time to pay. So 18 ringgit for return. I'll choose the debit one, as I'll pay from card. So and last time also I had a lot of problems. And now I have to pay. I don't know why. Sometimes the machine is quite slow. So let's see this side.
2,000 years later.
So, finally, after a huge time, their machine is a bit slow. I got a C line, which is 18 ringgit to go, return ticket, and then there's an advanced line, which is like you don't have to be in a public line. You have your own line. You can just walk in direct. On a public days, you don't need to get that one. You can get C, and it's easy to go up. There's no rush as much. But if on holidays, I would definitely recommend you to go for an expensive one because it's huge line on public day holidays. So as I told you, on normal days there's no much line. I had only I think 20 people in front of me, and now I'm in just nearby to the left. And as you guys see, it's beautiful and wonderfully maintained chairlifts. So my second thing must do in Genting Highland is about to end, and it's definitely a chairlift, as I already informed you guys. Chairlift, it's amazing and it's a wonderful activity that when you come here with your family, friends, you can have a lot of snaps. I think they're letting them go anyways. So you can have a lot of snaps. Coming here to the temple will be definitely we must visit it, and I'll be honest with you guys, this is my first time as well. And for the ticket, you don't need to buy any ticket. It's the same ticket which you buy from here to the Skyward. So you can stop here, go inside, enjoy, and come back on the same ticket and go up. So there is no charge to just come here. And I've been told that there are two ways to go down. One is the hiking. I'm not sure they have opened it because there were huge landslining earlier in this year. So I think they might have closed it. But the second one is all internal. They made it like you can walk through in and go there. It's amazing. And then whatever reaction that you guys will see from my side will be the first reaction to visit first time. It's my first time to be in this temple. Finally, I'm at Chinso Temple. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but and sorry for wearing glasses. It's so sunny out here, and to be honest, it's amazing. I have a look. It's like you can track all the way up and enjoy your time. So, guys, as you can see at the back of behind me, this place is literally a gem for tourism. So, once you come up, you must visit this temple. And there's a lot more. If you want me to describe it in few words, I won't be able to. And if I don't think so that I'll be able to even cover this by shooting a lot of spots, because this place is so peaceful. There's like people coming over here from all cultures to just visit, and it's amazing. I hope you enjoyed it. Now make sure to subscribe, like, and share. I have enjoyed the temple. I've taken some of the drone shots and then a lot more shots over here. I tried my best to cover it for you guys, but this place deserves your attention. You must come here once you're coming to Genting Highland. Either you can come by chairlift or you can come by car, as the car entrance is exactly behind me. Let me show you guys that one. Okay, your car will come from here, and then you guys can park here, you see, and then the parking is there as well. It's amazing. It's a wonderful place. The colors, the I don't know how to describe, but this place literally left me flattered. I don't really have words to explain to you guys. But for if you guys have watched till now, I'm asking again. Please subscribe. I do need your subscriptions. That's how I can. You see there, People are heading there. You see, there are different things going on. That was that's registration office, and then the have no idea. Let me see what it's called. There is something here as well. I think it's a temple inside. Yep, it's a temple. It's called Natok Gong Prayer Set. Oh no, it's something else. You can come here. There's a Starbucks exactly in behind me. You guys can see. So basically, where I'm going is I'm going to see the temple that is made up there. What's it called? And secondly, I'll be heading toward my fourth place that I've tried. So this is all it is, and people are offering their prayers, as you guys can see. Now you guys can see. I'm tired. Walked a lot today already. So now I'm heading toward my fourth point, and I hope till now you guys have liked it and subscribed. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And both of my last 2 points are in Skyward. Actually, they are not. There are a lot more things, but I'll just cover 2. So see you guys on top. Okay, so the fourth place would be indoor theme park, and this place literally deserves your attraction. It's perfect for taking pictures. It feels like you're somewhere in 2025 or somewhere there. LCDs, and everywhere LCDs. And the park itself is indoor theme park itself is like so lightened and so beautiful that they have the best view, I would say. There is no anything in Malaysia. I've been to the other countries as well, but the theme park they have, indoor theme park, the way they have designed it, I haven't seen it so far. So that's why this place is must to visit if you're coming to Genting Highland. And it's Saturday today, and people are here in huge amount. I can see like tons of people walking here and there. Oh, that's crazy, right? Last time in my last video I was here as well, and in this video I'm again back. But in this video you can see I hope that the camera has covered that guy on the eagle ride. So it's a cable ride going from the top, and there's on the top, if you see, there's a cyber cafe as well, and that's a pretty cool one. So if you want to come here and hang out with your friends for the gaming night, you could definitely come here and take, but make sure to reserve your slot in cyber cafe. Mostly they are full. Genting, if you're coming to Genting, you have to be ready for mostly to be in rush. Like every single ride, you can see people are waiting in queues, They are waiting there. There. Everywhere. You know, it's impossible if you think that you can come to Genting Highland and you can go back without any hustle. So the big top is another thing opened recently. It was closed before, but I don't know you guys can hear me or not. I have to speak quite loud because so loud that I cannot really I think you guys will have issues while hearing me. But over here you can see the kids are enjoying their games. It's not just for the kids, it's for elders also. You can play the basketball thing and then many more things. You can have a what's that called, a competition with your friend in this basketball. But it's quite energetic over here. People are, it was closed for almost 2 years, I guess. It wasn't opened at all, and now it's recently being opened, and there are many things over here. This point I will keep it simple. This is a rooftop and you guys can have a lot of selfies and enjoy time up here. It's like one of the most famous places. So if you're coming to Genting, must visit this place as well. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys have already hit the subscribe button. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Take care, have a nice day. I'll see you. Okay, this is how I'm going to go back. It's so rushed. So see ya, take care.